Question 3C. Yes, so when you talked about qualities, here you're not explaining, you're just outlining, right? And it is a must, one word, not two words. If you go 2 to 3 words, now you're wrong already. Quality. You don't say, some people are saying faith. No, I can give you. You have to say what? Faithfulness, yes. Courage, truthfulness. Also, Elijah was caring. He was honesty, respectful, prayerfulness, obedience, responsibility. Talked about also loyalty. We go to question 3C. Someone to read.
Explain the role of prophets in Israel.
Yes, question 4. The role of prophets. They spoke on behalf of God. Even if you say they spoke on instead of God, which is okay. So they spoke on behalf of God, in place of God, it's still okay. They foretold the future. They guided kings. They called people to repentance. They condemned evil. They warned people of God's judgment. They offered sacrifices. They anointed kings. They interpreted visions. The other meaning you should check in the book also. There are very many. They anointed kings. You can say they guided people in the covenant way of life. There are very many. Question 4B.
Explain 4 differences between prophets in the Old Testament and traditional African communities.
The differences. I don't know. It's understanding that some people did not get that these are different. Others said in both. Why are you talking like that? So here, what are the differences? Old Testament prophets received call from God. Their call was from God. While the traditional African prophets inherited their work from their ancestors. They inherited their work from their ancestors.